Really good advice, not petty advice. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Serena and on today's video I'll be talking about how to grow on Etsy. So firstly, to grow on Etsy you have to have stock. You either have to have stock ready, so if you make bulk of whatever you're making you have to have stock ready, or if you do made to order, handmade to order, make sure you've got the suppliers ready. So you make the time known to the customers that how long it's going to take. Secondly, I would say pin everything to Pinterest. Pinterest is so underrated sometimes, and yeah, definitely Pinterest is a good way to go if you want to promote your products for free, and yeah, it will give you engagement and give you maybe sales even. Last month in July 2022, Pinterest had active users for the whole entire month of July. 433 million active users that month. Like, how amazing is that? So definitely use Pinterest because that's one of the, that's one of the good sites. And another, you would have to engage with your listing and get comfortable with your SEO. So SEO is like keywords and tags. Like, find what keywords work for you, find keywords that are popular. So on Etsy search, like, you could open up a new browser for this. So on Etsy search, if you type in, let's say vintage items, and you don't press enter, you will leave it at vintage items and see what's coming up below that, the suggestions. The suggestions are what most people are looking for, so then you can use some of them as keywords in your SEO on your listings. So I would say create what buyers want and turn them into needs. Then they would literally always come back to you, because then they would feel like, oh, they need it, they need that, they need your craft, they need what you're selling, Obviously be patient, find your niche, and literally there's always gaps in the market. So if you can like fill in that gap in the market, then you're amazing, you're like done, And definitely expand beyond Etsy. So obviously TikTok is a good way to go, Instagram is a way to go, because they both have, so TikTok shop, Instagram shop, and obviously you can upload videos there, like your daily routine or what you're just showing your product is enough for people like to engage with you. So yeah, I would focus on that first, and don't always focus on like one thing at a time. TikTok shop, Instagram shop, and yeah, literally that can bring you sales. You can upload videos and pictures to there, like Instagram, obviously Instagram Reels and everything like that. You can go on TikTok Live as well and show like what you're selling, because either way it can land into sales. I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you learned some little tricks and tips on how to grow your Etsy. If you have any questions or suggestions, just comment below and I'll sure get back to you. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. See ya!